Hello guys, I'm back. Today I will teach you how you can edit the link address to your LinkedIn profile. So every time that someone wants to find you on LinkedIn, it's possible to edit your name in a way that gets easier for people and recruiters find your name and find you. My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. Follow my profile and like this video to get hundreds of content related to chemical process engineering and plant design. As many of you, I have many social media, and today I did the edition or I did the settings of all my social media in order to get the same profile for all of them. So today, if you go to my Instagram, you will find Jeferson Costa Engineer. If you go to Facebook, Jeferson Costa Engineer. If you go to my YouTube channel, now it is Jeferson Costa Engineer. My TikTok is Jeferson Costa Engineer. My Patreon is also Jeferson Costa Engineer. And my LinkedIn profile I also edited for Jeferson Costa Engineer. And this way it gets easier for people to find me in any social media that they are interested to. So to help you to do the settings of your own URL, let me show you how you can do that. It's very easy, just a few clicks and you'll be able to change or to edit your profile. So when you are on LinkedIn, in the main page, you just need to go to your picture and click on View Profile. And when you do that, you will go to another web page where you have at the right side of your screen the button or the link for Edit Public Profile and URL. Once you click on that, you will be addressed for another web page where you can edit your custom URL. So if I click in the pen, I am able to change what is my LinkedIn profile, the address to my LinkedIn profile. And that is very important because if you let easier for people find you, the chances are that the recruiters will be able to find you easier. So I will not change anything because I already did that. And why you should do this kind of thing, or why you should edit your LinkedIn profile. If you get the standard LinkedIn profile, you can see that my name is Jefferson-Costa- a series of letters and numbers. And if you add that to your resume, to people link it to your LinkedIn profile, that is not very nice to have in your resume. So what I do with my LinkedIn profile, I add that to my resume in order that for anyone that I share my resume or my curriculum, they can click on my LinkedIn profile and find more information about my person. And with this, I believe that I am able to build more trust for the recruiter, for the manager that is verifying if I am worth or not to get a job in their company. So this is a tip very important in my point of view for you when you are doing your curriculum to add your LinkedIn profile to your CV or curriculum. So guys, this is it. I hope you like it and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.